Hi everyone! Alam niyo, hindi ko pa na-edit yung vlog ko before this, but it is Sunday today. I'm going to QC again for another acting workshop. I think this is the last for this film project. Yeah, it is 1:18 p.m. I think we're gonna be there on time naman. Ayun, samahan niyo ako today and I'm gonna introduce you guys to everyone.
Ay, kakatapos lang ng aming natapos kami ng 6:12. Actually, late kami nagsimula.
Hi ka sa vlog ni Ate AJ.
Hi, Ate AJ. Hi, guys. Follow niyo si Ate AJ, ha?
Ayan. Hi ka sa vlog ni Ate AJ. Steph, hi ka sa vlog ni Ate AJ.
Hi, guys.
Oy, hi ka.
Ay, kasha ba po?
Bakit sila lang kami? Hi!
The manager.
Jer lang yun, walang money.
Video daw. Video daw sabi. We're gonna eat. We're gonna go outside. For the past acting sessions, dito lang po siya sa Pancho.
Diyan.
Ayun namin.
Diyan sila, service ng mga bagets. The Pretty Roxy. Uy, ba't nagkandukan na kayo step na? Kasi?
We're in Mesa, Thomas Morato. Nasasako lang ako sa car, nasa likod ako. Hindi kami na Thomas Morato na kami. Anyways, this is our table.
Dito kayo magdi-dinner.
We have dinner here. I've never had food at
Gusto mo, gusto.
Hi, guys.
Outro na daw. Totoo ba? Nag-94 ka?
Sabay lang kami.
35!
Ay, uy, 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 uy.
35!
Bye everyone. Bye everyone.